Hello everybody, this is Rebel Scoutmaster. As you can see, I have a new windshield on the motorcycle. That's from FREEDOMSHIELDS. Let's take a look. So this is the FREEDOMSHIELDS 22-inch windscreen. You can see it is shaded gray. It has the built-in lip on the windscreen itself, so you don't have to purchase a separate laminar lip. And what it actually does is it actually mounts to your factory. If you have a factory windscreen from Indian, you take the brackets off of that and you install them on this. It's actually very simple, very easy to do. It only takes a few minutes to swap it over and then pop it on. I don't always ride with a windshield, but in the fall and the springtime I will usually ride with a windshield because I don't like bugs hitting me in the face. I have not ridden with it yet, so let's see if we can go do that now and see how it does. I don't feel anything right in this area at all. I feel a lot of wind coming over here and over here. Let's see what it feels like when we get up a little bit faster. So this is 35 miles an hour. I don't feel a thing on my head at all. I could probably open up my helmet. I did. I don't feel a thing. That's kind of nice to be able to open up your windscreen and not have anything hitting your face. I'm gonna close it a little bit so you, hopefully y'all in YouTube world can hear me. All right. All right, there's 50 miles an hour. I don't feel anything on my helmet, really. I feel a lot of kind of turbulence around my neck. Let's see what happens when I open up the windscreen. Okay, windscreen open, and I don't feel anything really on my head at all. I think maybe the top of the windscreen's catching the wind. If I stick my head up, yeah, there's the turbulence. So sitting normally, I don't feel anything at this speed. Close that back down a little bit. All right, so 50 miles an hour. It feels good. I get a little turbulence around my neck. There's 70 miles an hour. And like I said, I'm getting some right here at the top of my head. And you see this right here is not blowing around, it's just kind of floating. And again, I can still open my windscreen and I don't get anything crazy. I get no wind buffeting when I do that. So again, highway test 70 miles an hour, a little bit of buffeting at the top of my helmet, but it is light years ahead of what the factory one is. Like I said, you can see right here with this wire just kind of floating around. It is not causing any kind of major disturbance, turbulence, or anything right there. Feel like my head is in a tunnel. If I go this way, it feels like my head gets pushed back to the center, and I'm sure that has a lot to do with this lip. Yeah, let me turn here. I have a feeling that that lip has a lot to do with the reason that it keeps your head in the middle. Let's take a ride through this little campground here real quick.